In the second stanza, you will come to know why the poet doesn't want to offer any help or any kind of consolation to the boy, because he wants the boy to learn his responsibility. Which responsibility? To be very careful, to be very watchful towards his belongings. So the stanza reads, he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. In a world of possessions means this materialistic world where we own several kinds of materials, several kinds of belongings. So he says that the boy, although he is very young, but should try to learn his responsibility. The responsibility of being very careful, of being very watchful towards his belongings. People will take balls and balls will be lost always, little boy. यहाँ पे बॉल को एज अ सिंबल यूज़ किया गया है उन सारी बिलोंगिंग्स के लिए, उन सारे मटेरियल्स के लिए जो कि हम ओन करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने कहा है कि देयर विल बी सेवरल थिंग्स विच विल बी टेकन अवे बाय द पीपल समटाइम्स एंड sometimes it can be lost by our own mistakes, and no one buys a ball back, but the happiness, the memories which are associated with the lost things cannot be purchased by any means. Money is external. Here the poet wants to emphasize on the fact that money can only give us external happiness. The memories, the happiness which is attached with the things which are almost lost from us cannot be taken back from money. पैसे से हर चीज़ खरीदी जा सकती है, पर जो हैप्पीनेस, जो अटैचमेंट, जो खोई हुई चीज़ों से जो अटैचमेंट रहता है वो पैसा नहीं खरीद सकता. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of loss, how to stand up. He is learning means with this loss of his small ball, he is taking a lesson. Although his eyes are desperate, although he is grieving over the loss, but right now the most important thing which is going on in his life is he is taking a lesson from his loss. He is knowing, he is trying to learn the nature of loss. What is that nature of loss? How to know our responsibility, how to accept the loss, and how to take a stand in that condition. Instead of grieving over the loss, instead of lamenting over the things which we have lost, we must try to accept the situation. We must try to move on, knowing what every man must one day know. And this lesson is not only necessary for that boy, even it is must for every man to know about the knowledge of loss. And most know many days how to stand up. And there are several men in the world, one who has almost learned from their mistakes, almost learned, had taken a lesson from their loss, and has taken a stand up and are doing well in their life. Now the poetic devices which are used here are, first thing is repetition. You can see that ball word is repeated. Second one is alliteration. Now you can see in the fourth line, buys a ball back. Here B consonant letter is used in the beginning of each word and is prominently used. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि तीनों ही शब्दों के शुरुआत में बी कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर जो है यूज़ हुआ है. तो इस तरह का जब प्रोमिनेंटली कोई लेटर यूज़ किया जाता है सेम लाइन में, तो उसे हम एलिट्रेशन कहते हैं.